In today's video, we're going to be talking with Amanda. Amanda is not only selling over $15,000 a month on Amazon, but she's now been building up a new income stream, reselling products on the Walmart marketplace. Well, in this video, we're going to be breaking down the 3 strategies that Amanda is using to source products to sell on Amazon and Walmart. So if you're excited about this video and want to add a new income stream to your business, smash that like button and let's get into today's video. All right, welcome, Amanda. It's great to have you back on the channel. So we're going to be breaking down the 3 sourcing strategies that you're using in your Walmart and Amazon business to be able to source products to resell for a profit. So we've got these 3 strategies, and some of the strategies you use to sell on Amazon, some you use to sell on Walmart Marketplace. So we'll make sure to let viewers know. But let's get into the first strategy that you are utilizing to be able to source products to flip actually on Amazon. You're not flipping them on Walmart for this strategy, but maybe in the future. So what do you got?
eBay to Amazon is, I like using Flip Mine is really the best one, but I also love the Replen catcher. Those are the main 2 that I use. Sometimes I'll go blind into eBay and kind of source there, but most of the time it's just Flip Mine and Replen catcher.
And what do these softwares do for you? And why are you using softwares instead of, let's just say, opening up your Amazon seller app and just going to newly listed on eBay and just scanning the screen? That's what I did when I started. So what do these softwares do and why do you use them and how can this help folks to be able to find deals?
So FlipMine pulls items from eBay that you can sell on Amazon. So it does already filter out, the items that could be, flipped over there. So that is why I like FlipMine, but I like Replen catcher a little better because it sources your own Replen items. So you want to sell the same product over and over again. And it works, it sells. So you just want to keep doing that. And I also love that there's now an explore option. You can explore different electronics or DVDs. That has also been a game changer. And I also feel like FlipMine has a lot of the same items versus Replen catcher has a lot of new items, which then inspires different rabbit holes, different criteria, different categories. So those are the main 2 that I use. And I don't go blind into eBay because I don't think it's worth my time, to be quite honest, unless I know what I'm looking for. So yeah.
What percentage of items would you say that you're buying on eBay via like buy it now? Like maybe it's $39.99 and you just buy it now versus a best offer. Sometimes it's buy it now with a best offer and you're kind of lowball them or make like a $5 or $10 lower offer versus auction. So buy it now, best offer, auction. How does that split usually work when you're using softwares or when you're sourcing?
I would say auctions are about 5%. They are lower end a lot of times because we get outbid. So just because I have high criteria. And so a lot of people who have a lot less high are kind of going in under me. So those are definitely fewer, but whatever we do get are good deals. Then buy it now, I would say about 40% is pretty good. We find them right off the bat. And then the rest is all, sending in a best offer, sending them a message and doing it that way. So that's definitely the majority of our sales are those best offers or messages and stuff.
Yeah. Same here. I feel like it's similar to like people who go to thrift stores. If there's no barcode, they'll just skip it over. And when it comes to eBay to Amazon, like I'll source deals, like I'll set like on FlipMine or Replen catcher, I'll set my ROI sometimes down to 20%. And you might think, well, why would you set your ROI at 20%? You want at least a 40 or 50. And I agree. But sometimes you could find a deal you could buy on eBay and it's only a 20% ROI. Maybe it's $30 and you want to sell it for a certain amount, but you only want to pay like 20, make a best offer. You've literally just engineered a deal out of thin air, and a lot of people aren't going to be doing that. So just wanted to share that tip, but thank you, Amanda, for sharing, those strategies sourcing on eBay. Let's get into number 2 right now. And I know this is one that you're very, very excited about because obviously you are really, it's been what, 6 to 12 months you've been growing your Walmart business? 4
months.
Oh, wow. I feel like you've grown so much in 4 months. That's amazing.
Yeah.
So retail arbitrage, that's number 2. How are you sourcing from maybe just for beginners, what is retail arbitrage and how are you sourcing retail arbitrage for Walmart? How does that work?
So I just go to stores like Kohl's or Burlington's, Ross, TJ Maxx, grocery outlet. I go to those stores. And with Walmart, I just use the Walmart app and I just scan and I just look for profitable items. And then it's the same process for Walmart is as Amazon FBA. So I send it to the warehouse, they then send it to the customer. It's the same process. So it's kind of nice where I can just, put them all in a box, send them. But yeah, I love retail arbitrage. I love shopping. I love going to the stores and seeing the products and, you know, getting that edge, especially grocery outlet, because that's not a nationwide chain. It's just on, certain, like just more on the west side, the West Coast. And so that's where I get the advantage. So that's why I love it.
So we've been talking a lot behind the scenes. Obviously, we've been friends for a couple of years. I mean, Amanda, you've been geeking out about Walmart. You are like, I swear, you're like a Taylor Swift fan for Walmart. Like you are obsessed with
Yeah.
Walmart Marketplace. And if,
Yeah.
for anyone who wants to learn more about this, go follow Amanda's channel. But why is it? Like, what are the top 3 reasons that you're really just loving Walmart, even over Amazon? I hate to say it, like my channel's focused on Amazon, but I'm going to be real. There's a lot of people who are leaving Amazon, or there's a lot of people who are adding Walmart to the mix for different reasons. So why are you falling in love with Walmart?
Because it's so lucrative right now. Like, all of my items sell quickly and they sell for more than on Amazon. And so it's just a new business model. So that gets me excited to like try something new. I love the hunt. I love the chase. And it's very much so with Walmart, but it's just so lucrative. There's only, I believe, 200,000 sellers on Walmart versus Amazon. There's 3.2 million. And so there's a lot less competition. I get the buy box most of the time. And so like I'm competing with maybe 4 other sellers. So it's just amazing. I love it. It's exciting. So
Yeah, if you guys really want to start Walmart and really learn how to do it, Amanda, she's actually a coach inside of our mentorship group. It's called Reselling Freedom over at resellingfreedom.com. So Amanda's a coach over there, and she's actually hosting, I think you're 3 or 4 weeks in now. Every week she's been doing a workshop call on Walmart. So she's going through the whole entire process of how to start Walmart, how to analyze deals, how to source, how to list. I mean, it's an entire like workshop course that you're putting together in there. And, not to be promoting on this call, but I feel like it could really help people. If you're looking to learn how to sell on Walmart, join resellingfreedom.com. Amanda's in there. She's doing live coaching calls all the time now. And also when you join as well, you can communicate, ask questions to Amanda, book a coaching call with Amanda. So appreciate you doing that. I know people have really been enjoying that. I know when you had your first call, we had like 40 or 50 people in there and you were like, holy crap.
oh yeah, it was amazing. Like there's just so much opportunity with Walmart. There's not a lot of people talking about Walmart just yet. So I'm glad that I can be talking about it, helping people. A lot of people take their items from Amazon, like their items that have tanked, and put them on Walmart and they make money. So they're not losing money. So that's what a lot of people do. So that can be an option. Or doing what I'm doing with this retail arbitrage. I do a lot of Amazon to Walmart. So yeah, I love it. I love Walmart.
Look at Amanda. It's like her eyes light up when we start talking about
I
Walmart.
know. It's great. Like we're doing well. So yeah.
So I think that's the perfect segue into your third sourcing strategy. And this one's actually for Walmart as well. So number 1 was in your Amazon business, because you're a little over 15,000 a month in your Amazon business. And that's all from eBay to Amazon, right?
Yeah.
In Walmart, you're close to 5K a month. And you might be thinking, well, why so much less? She's only been doing it for 4 months, guys.
Yeah.
A lot of nuances to learning a new business. Yeah. But we talked about retail arbitrage, which on your YouTube channel, she's going into stores with like a little microphone and like, you must have your husband there holding the camera.
Yeah.
Right? And she's sharing like how to source and different things. So check out our YouTube channel. But what's number 3? What's the third way? And this is kind of a funny little thing, but how are you sourcing products to sell in Walmart? Number 3
is Walmart to Walmart. So I will go into Walmart. I'll hit up the clearance section, because what I didn't realize was the products in my Walmart is not nationwide. So I could have a Squishmallow, whatever, that I have in my store that's like I have 30 of, but maybe somebody in Florida they don't have it. It's not available to them, and then they want it. So that's why I then, buy it, and then I put it up on the Walmart platform, and then they are then able to buy it. So that's been a huge game changer, is looking at regional items that can now be available, nationwide. So yeah, I love doing Walmart to Walmart flips.
Yeah, that's a great tip. Do you happen to have I know this is, this isn't a Walmart tip, but it's along the lines of retail arbitrage. Well, it is retail arbitrage. Trader Joe's. Do you ever go into Trader Joe's?
No, because I don't have one near me.
We have one.
The closest one is like 6 hours.
Yeah, I talked to someone the other day, and a couple people actually haven't been having a lot of success with trade. I don't know why that popped in my mind, but that's cool. Yeah, the clearance section. Do you ever go to Target and look in the clearance section, or any other big box retail stores?
Absolutely. Like I love Target. The Target exclusive items in Target sell really well on Walmart. So when they have 50% off, like it's amazing. So yeah, Target does really well. That's kind of like where I stick with, is Walmart to Walmart, Target, and then sometimes I'll do Kohl's, and then mainly also grocery outlet. So
do you ever buy from because for folks who don't know, Walmart has like an FBA program. So there's Amazon FBA, fulfillment by Amazon. Walmart has their own program where they have a fulfillment center and everything. But I have a question. Does Walmart have like merchants as well? So you could be like a merchant, or like well, it's not what is it called for Walmart? Is it WBA?
WFS.
WFS. Oh my gosh. I got confused with the letters.
It's so confusing. Yeah.
WFS. So do you ever source from merchants on Walmart? Kind of like, how Joji Davenport, his whole book business on Amazon is buying from merchants, using BookMine, and then flipping at FBA. Or can you do the same with Walmart, like with an online arbitrage strategy?
No, just because there's not a lot of competition to begin with. So there are times where I buy, like I wouldn't buy from a merchant, but I would buy from Walmart, where they don't offer shipping to the customers. So it's in my store. I'll buy 10 of them, and then I'll put it available for shipping. And then that's where the people around the nation can buy it. Because otherwise they wouldn't be able to. So yeah, not from merchants. There's just not enough people.
Yes. And that's the thing with like why you're able to buy from merchants on Amazon, is because there's so many sellers and big bulk sellers that they tank the price all the way down. So there's like this big prime gap type of, arbitrage opportunity. So cool. That makes sense. So hopefully everybody enjoyed this video. I want to see you guys inside of Reselling Freedom on Amanda's next coaching call. Go through her workshop, watch her videos, and inside Reselling Freedom as well, or even I'll put a link down below if you want to book a coaching call with Amanda. Just trying to help out Amanda, because she's grinding on YouTube, grinding in her business. So if you want to connect with her, check out Reselling Freedom. I'll share her YouTube channel, all of her information down below in the comments. But thank you so much for sharing, so much cool information. And I'm looking forward to our next video that we're getting ready to record, sharing 5 costly mistakes that you've actually made in your reselling business over the last 2 years, scaling to over $150,000 a year. So yeah, definitely subscribe, be on the lookout for that. But Amanda, thank you so much. Appreciate you coming on.
Thank you so much.
Keep crushing it, girl.
Thanks. I'll keep going. Let's do this. Thank you.